Welcome to our video presentation on Sephora. We'll be looking at how they moved beyond just selling cosmetics to selling certainty, examining their digital customer journey. Our case hinges on one central question. In a category where customers can't judge products without trying them, is the journey designed for a sale or for confidence? 3 facts define our strategic context: the difficulty of choosing shades, the unique physical trial moment, and the specific friction points throughout the beauty customer journey. This case is central to understanding digital customers. It touches on journey mapping, channel gaps, heuristics, social proof, and how customer lifetime value is generated. The business model links value and risk by converting uncertainty into a settled choice, using stores as trial infrastructure, and capturing value through retail and assortment power. The operating mechanism creates a powerful feedback loop. As uncertainty falls and choice friction decreases, conversion rates rise, returns drop, and reviews become more positive. Competitors face more than a technology gap. Sephora has built durable barriers through their review corpus, trial-focused store estate, and self-reinforcing assortment power. Looking at the numbers from 2022 to 2025, we can see where value concentrates, reflecting the impact of their strategic initiatives on overall performance. This calculation makes the economics visible. It shows the real cost of returns and the potential value generated by tools that improve product suitability for the customer. It is important to remember that measurement is not causality. The numbers we've discussed include teaching assumptions and should be viewed with that context in mind. Every advantage carries a twin risk. We must carefully evaluate potential failure conditions, like data exposure, loyalty program saturation, and the high fixed costs of their infrastructure. The case conclusion depends on mitigating biometric data risks. We monitor signals like regulatory claims or shifts in full-price sales to watch for signs of failure. When transferring this model to a new market like Vietnam, we must consider local realities, such as existing pharmacy networks and the different ways customers seek product proof. In summary, we recommend applying the core mechanism while adapting the form. Identify the specific bottleneck of your local industry before investing in trial infrastructure. Finally, 3 lessons survive beyond this company. Redesign the bottleneck, value data over discounts, and remember that omnichannel is about the customer experience, not just the channel count. Now we arrive at our final decision. We must prioritize removing the trial bottleneck rather than relying on discounts. We invite you to consider why hyper-relevant reviews from peers are more effective at driving conversion than simply increasing the total number of reviews. To wrap up our video, here are the references and data sources that informed our analysis. You can refer to these for further study on Sephora's strategy and the industry metrics we have explored today.